IKEA Rajasthan Review. Specification, pros, cons, and price. To store foods, snacks, and ingredients like chips, cookies, spices, and more, spice jars seem very necessary to use. However, choosing the best product, in fact, is not as easy as it seems. The spice jars can be simply found in the stores with various shapes and designs, but pretty designs are not enough. You must also make sure that the products chosen are safe and food grade. For the reasons, spice jars from IKEA are worth to consider. It is namely IKEA Rajasthan. How are the specifications, pros, and cons? Product specifications. The jars are transparent, making it easier to find out the stuff you're looking for. The design is simple, classic, but also everlasting. There is a lid in silver color that seems to look good together with the glass. The size is medium with dimensions as follows. The height is 8 centimeters and the volume is 15 centimeters. In a set, there are 4 jars available and basically you cannot buy them separately. So if you need just one, you must share your money with your friends anyway. Despite the cool design and medium dimension, there is one more reason why IKEA Rajasthan is good for your home stuff. It is safe and environment friendly. It is an ironic fact to see many products available outside where the producers seem to be too careless in producing them. For products like food and kitchenware, many of them still use materials containing dangerous and toxic substances like bisphenol A, BPA. IKEA makes sure that the spice jars collections are not containing them, so you should not worry. Interestingly, the glass and polypropylene materials used are also recyclable. If it has been damaged, dull, or not able to use anymore, you can bring out to the recycling center or company for sure. There are commonly terms and conditions required. Make sure that the company wants to accept the jar product. How to take care of it. The spice jars from IKEA are very easy to clean. The glass part can be washed in the dishwasher, and it is completely clean without being scratched or damaged. However, the lid part needs more efforts to clean it up. Yes, you must wash it manually with hands. It is not something difficult at all, although you must spare more time. For storage, keep them in a clean and dry place. When you want to use it after storage, you only need to wipe it using a smooth rug. Pros and cons. What are the pros and cons of IKEA Rajasthan? IKEA Rajasthan has a simple but beautiful design. It is relative for sure. Meanwhile, it is food grade and environment friendly without any harmful substance like BPA. The jars are also durable and not easily stretched. The methods of cleaning and storage are easy as well. For the cons, the jar doesn't have an inner lid with holes to shake the spice, but overall, the product is worth to buy. Price. For each set, the product costs at $2.79. It is very affordable, isn't it? Moreover, you can get 4 pieces for it. So grab IKEA Rajasthan fast.